Hi everyone, welcome in this edition of today's newspaper of Thursday, November the 19th. We have here in this edition with extra Sudokus. Sudoku with 1 star, Sudoku with 2 stars, Sudoku with 3 stars, Sudoku with 4 stars, 1 tectonic, the second tectonic, binary number 1 and a binary number 2. Total of 8 extra Sudokus. I won't do them all, only 4 of them I will solve. The 3 stars, the 4 stars, 1 tectonic and 1 binary I will do. And this 3 star Sudoku will be number 1906. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. We have here 2 plus 1 is 3, plus 3 is 6, plus 4 is 10, plus 5 is 15, plus 1 is equal to 16, plus 3 is 19, plus 3 is 22, plus 3 is equal to 25. Correct. The 3 stars Sudoku has always 25 printed digits. Alright, so let's get started. Alright. Let me see. Which number can I pick? How about this big square. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 5. We see here 5, no 5 in these 2 boxes. There 5, no 5 in those 2 boxes. So the 5 could be here, could be there. So we have a 5 in this third column, a 5 in one of those 2 boxes in the second column. So in the first column, the only place for a 5 should be there. 3 boxes left in the first column. 2 of those missing numbers are the 9 and the 7. We have the 9 and the 7 in this big square, so no 9 and the 7 in this box. The 9 and the 7 goes in those 2 boxes. Let me mark them for you. It's a pair within a big square. So I mark them so you can follow it easier. So 1 box left in the first column should be the number 2. Then let me see. All right. We have a 4 in this column, a 4 in the middle column. So in the column next, the only 2 places for the 4 should be here or there. We see here 4, no 4 there, 4 should be there. And then how about the number here? These 2 boxes in this row are the missing numbers here in this row. 2 of those are the 9 and the 5 in this row. We have a 9 and a 5 in this big square, so no 9 and a 5 in those 2 boxes. The 9 and the 5 goes in these 2 boxes. Let me mark them. That means the other 2 missing numbers are the numbers 7 and 8. 7 and 8. We see here 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here and 8 goes there. Then We have an 8 in this column, 8 in that column. So the middle column, the only place for an 8 should be there. 8 in this row, 8 in the row below. So the last row, only 2 places for the 8 should be here. Oh, there we see here an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 8 in this column, 8 in the column next. So in the last column, the only 3 places for an 8 should be here, here, or there. We see an 8, we see there an 8, so no 8s in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 8 should be there. 8 in this row, 8 in the middle row, so in the row above, only 2 places for the 8 should be here or there. We see an 8, no 8 there, 8 should be there. And I've eliminated one of the marked boxes for the 5. So 1 box left for the 5 should be there because we have a 5 here, so no 5 in those 2 boxes. 2 boxes left, the 1 and the 3, we have a 1 here, no 1 there, 1 should be here, and a 3 goes there. And all the 8s are used. I can see the first digit, alright. In the last column, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 5. We see here 5. We see here 5 in this big square, so no 5 in those 2 boxes. There 5, no 5 in this box. So the 5 could be here, here, or there. Well, we have a 5 here, we have a 5 there. So no 5s in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 5. It should be there. Then I cannot continue with the 5. How about 2. 2. Yeah. 2. Alright. So we have a 1 in this row, a 1 in that row. So in the middle row, the only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there. We see here 1, no 1 there, 1 should be there. 2, 3, 9, 2, 3, 9. Alright. 3, 3. 3, 3. 3, 3. Okay. Yeah. 6, 9, and 2. I think I need to mark some boxes because I need some pairs. Alright, we have a 1 in this column, a 1 in the last column, so the column between. The only 2 places for the 1 could be here, could be there. 3 in this column, 3 in the column next, so in the last column. The only 2 places for the 3 could be here, could be there. 6 in this row, 6 in the middle row, so in the row below. The only 3 places for the 6 will be here, here, or there. We see here 6, no 6 there. 6 could be here, could be there. 4 in this row, 4 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 2 places for the 4 could be here, could be there. We have a 6 in the last row, 6 in the row above. So in that row, only 2 places for the 6 could be here, could be there. Then 6, 4, 2. Yeah. In this big square, 5 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is a 1. We see here 1, no 1 in those two boxes. There 1, no 1 in these two boxes. So 1 box left for the 1. Should be there. 9, 5. The 3 is missing. Yes, in this big square. One of the missing numbers is a 3. We see here 3, no 3 in those two boxes. 1 box left for the 3. Should be there. In this big square, 4 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is a 3. We see there 3, no 3 there. Here 3, no 3 there. So the 3 could be here, could be there. So we have a 3 in this column, a 3 in one of those two boxes in the middle column. So in that column, the only place for a 3 should be there. 3 in the third row, 3 in the first row. So in the row between the second row, the only place for a 3 should be there. Then I cannot continue with the 3. How about those two numbers in this column? The missing numbers here are the 7 and the 9. We see here 9, no 9 there. 9 should be here and 7 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square, the 9 and the 5. We have a 9 here, no 9 there. 9 should be here and a 5 goes there. 1 number left in this row for the number 5. Then Then 6, 9. Yeah. 2, 9, 9, 9. 2, 9, 3. These two boxes in this row, those missing numbers are the 2 and the 7 are missing. Let me mark those for you. 2 and a 7. We have the 2 and a 7 in this big square. 2 and a 7, that means those two boxes cannot be 2 and a 7. In the last column, 2 and a 7, and 4, the 4 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 2, 7, 3, and 4 is missing, and the 9 is missing. 7 should be here. 2, 3, and 7 is missing here. Yes, 7. In this big square, 3 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 7. We see there 7, so no 7 in these two boxes. 1 box left for the 7 should be there. And I've eliminated the 3, so the 3 goes here. 1 box left in this big square for the number 2. 1 box left in this row for the number 9. And I've eliminated the 3, so the 3 goes there. 2 boxes left. The 6 and the 4 are missing. We see here 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 6 goes there. So we have a pair, 6 and a 1, 6 and a 1. So those two boxes should be 6 and a 1. Alright. 2, 7 and a 9. So the 9, we are missing the 9 in this column. 1 and a 6, 2, 7, and the 9. So the 9 could be here or there. We see there 9, no 9 there. 9 should be there. So the 2 and the 7 are left now in this column. 2 and a 7. We have a 7 here, no 7 there. So the 7 goes there, and the 2 goes here. 1 box left in this big square for the number 2. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 7 and 4. We have a 4 there, so no 4 here. 4 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 1 box left in this column for the number 9. 2 boxes left in the last column for the numbers 2 and 7. Let me mark those for you. 1 box left in this last row for the number 4. 4 is missing. Those two numbers in this big square, the 6 and the 2. Let me mark those. I have marked those boxes with a 4. Now we have a 4 there. So this cannot be 4 anymore. This should be a 4. Then now we have a 9 here. So this cannot be a 9 anymore. This should be a 9. And this should be a 7. The 2 should be here. In the second row, we need a 2. So the 2 could be here or there. We see there 2, no 2 there, 2 should be here. 2 boxes left. In the second row, the 1 and the 6. We see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here and the 6 goes there. 1 number left in this column for the number 6. 6 in this row, 6 in the second row. So in the first row, the only place for a 6 should be there. Now we have a 6 here. So this cannot be a 6 anymore. This should be the 6. And this should be a 2. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 1 and 2. 1 and 2. We see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here and the 2 goes there. Now we have a 2 here. So this cannot be a 2 anymore. This should be a 2 and this should be a 7. 2 boxes left in this row for the numbers 9 and 5. 9 and 5. We see here 9, no 9 there. 9 should be here and the 5 goes there. And the final 2 numbers of this big square, the numbers are 1 and 7. We see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here and the 7 goes there. Finished in 60 minutes. Alright, great Sudoku. I like this one. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And I will see you in a minute with the second Sudoku. A 4 stars Sudoku. Yes. See you later. Bye bye for now.